Hello everyone. This video is one in a series of videos. Okay, so they're based on these two documents. This is the DT1. This is these are official DVSA documents actually. So this is a guidance to examiners, and it will tell the examiners exactly how to conduct the test first of all, and also it will tell them what to look for on the test. What to look for in your driving, should I say, on the test. So that's quite a weighty read, that one. So that's that one. Okay. Also going to use this one. This is the marking sheet for the examiners. This is called a DL25. They're official documents. This here, as you can see, is kind of all in sections there. If you notice, okay. What they are, that's the marking sheet, and at the back it tells the examiners exactly how to mark your test. Okay, so we're going to use that one, and we're using this one also. Actually, you can access these. It's very cheap. Well, cheap's free. And you know, it's very easy to get to. I'll explain that later in the video. If you want to see more in this series, just click subscribe, okay, and ring the bell. There's more being added all the time, and there's plenty on there anyway to be getting on with. So let's get cracking.
Hello chaps, so today we're looking at the brake pedal. That's this one in the middle. The brake pedal is the most important control in the car. In my mind, more important than all the other controls put together, because it is the one that keeps us all safe. So we can only use the brake with the right foot, and this is so that you can't brake and accelerate at the same time. The way that the brake works is it works very similarly to your brakes on your push bike, in that the more pressure you apply, the slower the car will go. So in the car, what we do is we use a system called progressive braking, and that means we brake a little bit at first, and then we build the braking up as we either get down to the speed that we require, or we bring the car to a stop. So the instructions that you will have for the brake are cover the brake, and that means have your foot there ready to use it but not pressing it down. Then your instructor might say brake a little bit more, brake a bit more, bit less, off brake. So if you want to access the documents, again, if you want to access the documents that this series of videos is based on, just look in the description box below and click the links. But that's the brake. Cheers guys.